the joy of finally earning after you put in so much work and you receive a message that you are now being monetized. There's this joy in, like, the joy comes from from your mind. You jump, you shout, like, wow, finally I cannot get paid. That was how I felt when I got monetized June last year. That's June 2025 on Facebook. I was like, oh more, finally Facebook have recognized my effort. Facebook have seen me. They are like, they now want to appreciate me. I was so happy. The joy was overboard. And if I let me tell you a backstory of how I got monetized before I will actually show you how much Facebook paid me and how much I've been earning so far from Facebook. So see, I just, if I on my profile, that's where I got monetized, because my profile has always been on professional mode for years, like for over since 2020 2022. I put my profile on the professional mode. So you should do that. So if you want to earn from your profile on Facebook, change it to professional mode so it automatically becomes a page. If you don't know how to do, just watch the video on my channel, how to turn your profile into a page. It's already on my channel. Just go ahead and watch that video right now. So let's go ahead with the video. So my profile is on professional mode, and I was just posting my normal content now. Here you get, posting my normal content. So on this day, it was on Sunday, I just posted a picture of myself and my husband. We snapped after service. I posted, happy Sunday, everyone. You know the usual vibes where you wish people happy Sunday on Facebook. People like posting your Sunday years. So I just did that. So and I left. I was not online. We went to, me and my husband went to visit a family friend. As we were there, my both hands were just scratching me, like, I will say, why is this hand scratching? I don't know what's happening. I don't know. There's actually a narrative behind this scratching, though, but not everybody believes in it actually. So I was just, my body was scratching me. I don't even know what's wrong and all that. So I was just complaining casually. They were telling me that, don't worry, money is coming. I said, amen. I claimed it, and we went home. That evening, I just went to Facebook. No, I always check Facebook. Facebook is one of my most used app. Facebook and WhatsApp, one of my most used app. Just check Facebook, and I saw the notification. It was just on my feeds that you have been invited for content monetization. I'm like, am I? Is this real? I read it. I went to my notification. I saw it there. And I went to my dashboard. I saw that setup. Like, I should accept it. And I was screaming. I told my husband, babe, I'm not monetized on Facebook. That was June 1st, Abby. Yes, it should be June 1st last year, 2025. And that was how I got monetized. I was so happy. The energy, the joy. You understand that? See, if you want to be monetized on Facebook, just watch the video to the end, because I'll be sharing you tips. So I started posting consistently, posting my content, posting back to back. See, the real work starts when you get monetized, both on YouTube, even on YouTube. The real work starts when you get monetized, because I started posting consistently, pushing content. Yes, I must earn money, and all that. And I was just checking my earnings per post. After post, I would just check my earnings, and I would start seeing the earnings. But what surprised me is that the earnings were not coming the way I envisioned it to come. So I'll make a post and I'll have views. Okay, it's like I was having much views, sure, but at least I'll have like maybe 500 views. I'll not check the ends. I'll not see 0.01. That's not even up to a cent. So that was how my earnings were coming. So at the end of June, I made a total of 0.67 cents at the end of June. Not even up to $1. I was asking myself, is this how the end is? Like, is this how people make money for Facebook? When people come and say, I'm making money for Facebook, like, is this how it is? I was discouraged. Let me say that. I was discouraged. Like, why is the end slow and all that? So I kept on posting and all. In fact, you're going to be seeing, I'll be putting my earnings on the screen so that you'll be seeing it. And believe me that from June to December 2025, I made just $3.04. That's what I made. I believe you can see it on your screen. $3.04. And each month, I like there was a month I made more. The month I made $1 was in December, and that month what really happened was that they gave me a bonus to cross post my posts around different groups, and I'll earn it. They gave me a 7 days timeline. I did it, and that was how I earned just $1 for that as a bonus. the others are from my content. So I was just asking myself, why am I earning like this? Like, so I got $3.04 for post 7 months, and the threshold is $100 for those in Nigeria. If you're in Nigeria, you have to earn up to $100 to be able to withdraw your first money from Facebook. Forget about people saying $25. No, $25 is for those in some other countries. But if you are based in Nigeria, those in the US actually, that the ones that earn 25 that can withdraw after they earn $25. But in Nigeria, you must earn your first $100 from Facebook before you can actually withdraw from the platform. I was asking myself, is this how people do it? Is this how they cash out? And you could believe me that from that June to December last 2025, I only hit 1,000 views on my content just twice. In fact, I have like 2.7k followers, and I only hit 1,000 views on my profile just twice. You may be wondering why should not mentioning January 2026 and all that, because we're already in 2026 at the point of recording this video. Whew. I got my monetization got suspended in January, and this is April. The suspension has been lifted, and in my next video I'm going to be teaching you why I got suspended, what happened, because something happened. I know the exact thing that caused it, and how I was able to sort it out, and the suspension actually left. So I'll be teaching you in my subsequent video. In fact, there are 2 videos you should be expecting after this. One of them is I will teaching you why your earnings are low, because it was not later on I discovered that, okay, this is the reason why my earnings are low. It was later on, after nobody told me this. I learned it on my own. Because I was asking myself, why my earnings low and all that. I know my views are low actually, but there's another feature inside Facebook that will show you why your earnings are, like, they will show you how much you are earning, and like how, like, that is how I will put it, at any rate. I'm going to be showing you in my next video. So there are 2 videos you should be expecting after this content: why your earnings are low, number 1, on Facebook, and the second content you'll be expecting after this video is how I was demonetized, and how the monetization came back. Yes, and even my recommendation to also lengthy. In fact, so many things to see, but I don't want to make this video so lengthy. I'm going to be sharing you in my subsequent video. So just keep your eye on this channel. Just subscribe to this channel. Actually like my video, because I'll be sharing these things with you. These are what I experienced and how I was able to fix them from there. See, remember, I have a course on how to set up your Facebook payout account. Yes, I did a course on it. You set up your Facebook payout account, and how to create a TIN number that will be like a TIN number that will be approved, and also how to create a dollar account. They are all inside the course. Just check the link in the comment section and just get it. The link is also on my bio here on YouTube. Just get that course in case you are planning to be monetized. Just get it. It's very affordable. Yes, very, very, very affordable. I showed you how I set up and how you can set up yours. So that'll be the end of this video. Were you surprised with that earnings I made in 7 months? Were you surprised? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, you are actually missing out, because this is a space where we grow and learn. Click on the subscribe button right now, and also like my video, drop your comments, and I'm just ready to help creators like myself. Let's grow together. See, let's make money from this platform. Let's make money together. I'm just ready to help you out. Thank you so much for watching my video to the end. I love you so much. Bye bye.